Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW with the N52 N53 engine guys, this engine is the 6-cylinder engine that has been used in multiple BMWs such as guys 1 Series, 3 Series, 5, 6, 7 Series, X3, X5 and I think even X1. And you're trying to find where your purge valve, purge control valve is located. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where it's located, how to get to it and what needs to be done to remove and replace that valve. Now, quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make guys at least 200 to 300 free videos, and specifically on BMWs, every model BMW that we get we make at least 400 to 500 videos guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you guys need to buy a new replacement purge valve, any parts or tools for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below. We share guys all that for your convenience. Now specifically guys, we're working here on a 2006 325 BMW, but 330, 328, as I said, X3, X5, 525, 528, 530, all of them use that engine guys. So what we had to do to get to the purge valve guys? Okay, purge valve. So we had to remove our air filter box to free a little bit of space. Air filter box has been removed. We removed the intake boot that goes from the air filter box to the throttle body guys, right here. Now you do not have to remove your throttle body, but we had to remove it guys because, okay, let me explain why now. Because that here guys, okay, that bracket with these wires, okay, goes right here on that holder. This is right under the throttle body. Your throttle body bolts right here. But why we removed it? Simply because guys, we couldn't get that thing loose without breaking it. You can see there is two clips, one here, one there. So what I did, I went with a screwdriver, okay, okay, pried it up on each side with two screwdrivers and pulled it out. Okay, with that being said, check it out, you can move all that wiring harness down. Now if you want to see how to remove guys the throttle body, okay, we'll have the video on the channel, and if you want to see it, I think I'll be able to put the link in the description of the video below. For some reason, if it's not there, check it out, it's on our channel guys. How to remove throttle body on N52 N53 engine. So that being said guys, okay, we pull it out. Okay, what we have here, that right there guys, is your purge valve, purge control valve right underneath. Okay, let me show you right there. So you can see this is the purge control valve. Now you should have guys two lines, one's coming out of the purge valve, one coming in towards the purge valve. Why? Because the purge valve actually is guys bringing, okay, the gasoline vapors, okay, from the fuel tank to that valve. The valve will open and those gasoline vapors will go in the intake manifold and burn through the engine. That way you're not losing fuel in the form of vapors, you're not polluting the atmosphere guys, and your engine is running more efficient. So the line guys that goes towards the intake manifold, okay, is this line right here. So you have two things like that, okay, one on this side, one on the other one. Squish it with your fingers, okay, and get it loose. Okay, check it out. I got this one loose now guys. Now what else we need to do on the bottom guys of the purge valve, there is another line. Okay, things are a little bit limited. Let me get somebody to hold here the cables, okay, a little bit, okay, like that, perfect. But I need to get from underneath and release. Okay, there is one more hose down there, and now the only thing that we have left is the wire guys. Okay, I need to release the wire. Let me see how it's going to work now. Okay, very limited room, so I think I will reach from right here from the back side. Purge valve attaches there, okay, only guys, okay, only on one rubber bushing, and the only thing that we have to do is disconnect the wire now. So I already disconnected guys the wire because practically it was impossible. Later what I did, I got a screwdriver right here and I push, okay, I push, okay, that rubber bushing out. Now this thing needs to come out guys, okay, bring it down, turn it a little bit, okay, and this is guys your purge control valve coming out. Now we have a video on the channel guys how to test it, so make sure guys, okay, you check it out. Again, you'll be able to find it on our channel, how to test purge valve on BMW N52 N53 engine. Check it out, guys. But that's how we do it. If you need to get a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.